Today I will show you how to make a simple compass. So this you can actually prepare, this you can make in your house itself, in your kitchen. So to do that, what I have done, I have taken a small container with full of water, and then on this container and in this water I'll put a small piece of normal aluminium foil so that it can actually float on the water. Yeah, and then I will take a small needle. So this is made of this iron, and then I'll put on the top of this foil, and then you see immediately it started to move and it started to rotate and actually aligned in north to the south direction. Now you can in principle move any direction, and then you will see this will align in the specific direction. So this is now basically a compass. If you move in this direction, then it will try to come in this way. If you put there, then again it will come. So in principle now it is a compass which is aligned around north to south direction. So in principle you can check it through your mobile that which direction you have now. So let's see how your mobile is saying. So this is basically the north and south direction, and it's specifically aligned. Your needle is aligned along this north to south direction. So this way you can prepare a simple compass in your house. So but next I will show you a little bit complicated experiments, complicated experiments. If I flow current in parallel to this needle, what will happen? Yeah, so in the follow-up experiments I will show you if you flow current in parallel to this needle compass, what will happen to this compass.